We have the pool here at backside.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh,
Guys, my bashments, listen to me. People with the best Airbnb in Jamaica. Welcome back to Empress House. I'm feeling very tired because I've been on the road for a month and I'm tired. But we're at the best Airbnb in Jamaica. Now, as you can see, we have a jacuzzi right here. We have Sonic fasting right there. Say hi, Sonic. You can see her. So, guys, I'm gonna take you inside so you can see how inside looks and everything. So, we're in the dark. I'm here at the Airbnb in Kingston, Jamaica. Look at the transformation since I went inside. Oh, I look different. Oh my god. This, I'm gonna leave the name of the Airbnb on the screen and also information on how you can book this Airbnb. So guys, we're at the Airbnb. We did a bridal shower for my friend, my sweetest friend, Nastasia Reed. This is the backdrop of how everything looked. It looked amazing. Now guys, I'm gonna show you a tour of this Airbnb because it turned right up and girl, this looks so pretty. Alright guys, so you have the kitchen area right here. Don't mind the kitchen, we're cleaning up because the bridal shower is over. This is how the kitchen looks. You have the microwave, you have your stove here, you have the double door fridge. Yeah, so this is a rundown of the kitchen area. Pretty space. Just wanted to interrupt to say they provide no pots and pans. So please provide your own pots and pans or you'll be hungry if you're cooking. Yeah. Here you have the marble countertops, and then you have the dining area. This is the dining area. You have the kitchen opens into the living room because it's kind of tucked away. Let me see, but there is a window, so that's good. You have a window here where Auntie's standing. This is the laundry room right here. So just a typical laundry room. It's closed. Wait, not closed. I think I'm just lock it, but this is the laundry room. So if you have a laundry to do before you leave, you can always. Oh my God, this is dark in here. I can't find the light switch. Jesus, I see something. Anyways, that's the laundry room. You have 3 washing machines in there. This is the living room area, guys. You have upstairs, which is upstairs. This is the settee area. Oh my God, it's a bit messy because we had a blast. You have this TV out here. It looks small on camera, but it's very big. How a little bit of decor going on here with the bays and all of the niceness. And yeah, this is just a setup that we did for her bridal shower with the ring and everything there. And then we have upstairs. So this is the staircase, guys. We're gonna go up the staircase and I'm gonna show you guys how the rooms look and everything like that, so you can come to this Airbnb and enjoy yourself. Now this is a 3-bedroom Airbnb. It hosts 3 bedrooms. I think it's 4 to 5 bathrooms. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 4. The cool thing about this Airbnb is if you are coming through the front door and you have to use the bathroom, there's a bathroom right beside the door, right? Legit. It's kind of tucked away, but it's right beside the door. So let me take you to bedroom. No, sorry, this is a bathroom. Let me turn on the light. Wait. So this is bathroom number 1. Let's do a quick little montage. Wait, let me turn. So this is a quick little montage of the bathroom. So you have the glass door and this shower is huge, like legit huge. So I'm gonna show you guys just for reference. Oh my God, I can't really show you guys, but yeah. This bathroom is really amazing, really nice. As you can see, the shower head, nice vibe. You have a window here where you can. Oh my God, this window here. Wait, I can't really see outside because the window is dirty. But oh my god, you can see the lights from Kingston from here. Let me close this up. And here you have the blinds. So this is the bathroom area. It's really spacious. You can sit here and you can do your whatever it is here. So this is the bathroom area. You have your soap stand here, soap stand over there. The sink is just pretty and very amazing sink. You know, you have a typical toilet here, toilet paper. And for the people who love leave things in the bathroom, you have it right there. So, and you have a little hamper thing here where you can put your dirty clothes and stuff. So let me just give you a montage of the bathroom. So this is a bathroom, really nice bathroom. So this is bathroom number 1. And every bathroom has a room beside it. Now this is your closet space area, right? Sorry guys, right outside your bedroom. It's a bit messy in here, but this is bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 1. Sorry, we have a little bit of decor going on here. Really nice, spacious bedroom area. You have a little bit of closet space here. The floors here, it's really good decor. The curtains are really pretty. You have a little bit of oomph here and a little bit of oomph there. Then you have AC in every room. This is the bed space and the bed and the floors. Of course, you have wooden floors here, and it's just pretty and amazing. This is the lamp. You get 2 lamps. This bed is like a queen size bed. All right, so that's bedroom number 1. For bedroom number 2, really nice and spacious bedroom. It's the same type of typical vibe. Don't watch the mess. We are bridesmaids, so we are doing the dresses and all of that. So this is how bedroom number 2 looks. Same exact thing, so the bed is different. So this is bedroom number 2. It's also spacious, and it has wooden floors along with the drawers and everything here, so you can put your clothes in here. We got towels when we arrived. They don't have an iron here. I wish they did, but we got an iron. So I just want to give you guys a quick rundown of the bedroom. So this was the bathroom that we went into. This is a closet. This is bedroom number 1, and this is bedroom number 2. Now we're gonna go into the master bedroom. So as you can see, this is the master bedroom for a reason. It has high ceiling, open air. It also has a sunroof. These are the curtains that are in here along with the lamp. This is how the bed looks. As I said, this is all bridesmaid stuff, so don't mind that over there. Yeah, so this is how the room looks for the bedroom. You have a sunroof. In the morning you can watch the sky. If it's raining, you can see. Also have a huge TV in this room. We have 2 closets in this room, one here. Very spacious closets. So I wanted to show you guys. Very spacious closet area. And also in this room, this is where her dress is. Can't really show her dress. Yeah, and then for our master bathroom, this is how our master bathroom looks. Very spacious as well. You can sit here. You can, and that's the view, guys, from Kingston. You can sit in your bathroom and watch that, or you can stand or shower or whatever. And this is the view that you get from here. This is the sink area. You get 1 sink, and then, you have a typical toilet there, and all of this here. So this is how the rooms look, guys. It's really, really beautiful here. Very, very nice and spacious. Master bedroom and all these things, and really beautiful. And I'll come back here for 200 and something a night. Yes, yes, and yes. So we're super excited. I'm gonna show you guys the outside pool area. Outside pool area is really nice. Yeah. So we're going to enjoy ourselves now. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy ourselves now. I'm gonna close the door so the rooms can cool down for tonight, and so we can have cool air coming in and out. I think it would be smart for us to turn on our fan as well. Do we have a fan in here or we don't? Alright, so that's okay. The blood reasons. So guys, again, this is a view from here. You can sit on your little step here. Got those pretty feet. And you can watch the view. So we're gonna go downstairs. And this is me going downstairs from the bedroom. house is, as I said, it's very big. It's a very big space. So yeah, this is how it looks. We have a really cute painting here, and these are the cupboard vibe. It's bit of the decor there, and that's it. That's the Airbnb. And then this is what I was telling you guys about. This is the bathroom right beside the front door coming in. So this is the bathroom. It's just a small bathroom that's tucked away. I think it's 3 baths now to come to think of it. So it's 3 bathroom and 3 bedroom. Oh my god, somebody didn't flush it right. Well yeah, this is a small bathroom that it just comes right into the, as you come into the house, and you have 2 entrances coming in. You'll be here, and you can also come in here. And then when you come inside, you're gonna see the bathroom. So if you have a runny belly or something, you just scoot from here right into here, and you get to use the bathroom. Alright, so guys, this is the pretty rundown of the place. I think it's really pretty. The aesthetic is good. The vibe is also good and chill. You can join us, come to this Airbnb. It's a bit of artwork up there, and it's really nice, and the lights are very nice in here as well. So you can come to this Airbnb and enjoy yourself. All right. For persons who are kind of like a louder crowd, I wouldn't recommend it because of the community. They are very sensitive and easily you know, because of the noise and all this. So I wouldn't recommend it because of the what was saying? Not the curfew, but because of the person who rents the place. You can't really make any noise. So if you're kind of playing loud music and so on, I wouldn't recommend. But this is just an extension of the kitchen that I wanted to show you guys. It has a lot of cupboards, and the lighting is also good in the kitchen, and also great for making videos in the night. So guys, you can come and visit us at this Airbnb, and you will not regret it. All right, it's your girl Empress Sassy. See you on the next video. Wanna like the video, share the video, and also subscribe. Love you guys. Have an awesome rest of your day. Best Airbnb in Kingston, Jamaica.
Alright, watch Empress Sassy here.
Empress, man. I want to think, man. Empress thing, Lily.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh,